Hello beautiful people and welcome to Bomb Kiss TV. So today's video is brought to you by Hairvivi. So today they brought a honey blonde bob, and let me tell y'all, I really like this bob, but y'all know the girl don't usually do bobs. Okay, so I'm a little nervous. It's still growing on me, but overall I think this wig is absolutely amazing. So just before we get into this video, the packaging for this was absolutely the cutest packaging slash like presentation I've received from any company thus far. Like that was probably my top 3. Hairvivi, I want to give y'all a huge shout out because it means so much when there's a lot of thought put into the packaging, and it makes me feel like I'm having a luxury wig experience. With that being said, when I got the box and got to open it, my expectations were slightly high because the presentation was so chef's kiss, right? So I opened the wig and they were saying, you know, ready to go, fresh out the box and stuff. And I'm like, okay, we'll see. Because sometimes they say that and you still have to do stuff to it. This was pre-plucked. Y'all see that hairline? Pre-bleached. This is no manipulation whatsoever right here. The only thing I did was I went in with my got to be. I also went in and did wax stick to make it a side part. It does come in the middle part, which I actually thought was really cute. It had the natural widow's peak as well, which I know that's kind of trending right now, so I thought that was cute as well. For me in particularly, I thought that it looked better on me with the side part, so that's what I did. It came with a natural like body in it, natural curls in it with the middle part. So honestly, you don't have to style it when you get it. You guys will see when I actually start putting the wig on in the video, but you don't have to style it when you get it. You can just put it on. There's an adjustable strap, so we are glueless, so we can save those edges. But this wig is super cute, super fun. This is not the typical bust down. This is for the more mature corporate baddie, subtle yet still giving vibe. She's full, nice and thick, and like I said, adjustable straps and all that. So I love it. I love it. It's super cute. Now if you wanted to manipulate it and make your job harder, you can. I'm not for that. I want what's easy. Okay, I want to give them a huge shout out. Thank you again, Hairvivi, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. If you guys like to see how I achieve this honey blonde ready to go out the box bob cut, then just keep watching.